Hello, friends. Very glad to meet you all. I am all excited by your comments which you put down in the last time. Your encouragement encourages me and I get motivated. Forward. Okay. Now let us talk today of something about how to lose weight in a healthy way or in a easy way. Forward. Losing weight is hard and to keep it off is still harder. But when you go through this video, you will come to know many things like how you can keep yourself fit throughout, how you can prevent from yourself from gaining weight again, because the fats have left your body, but those fat pockets or the fat cells are still present in your body. They are with mouth open. Something go inside it, something go inside it. So the fats are going inside the pockets again and getting filled up and you gain weight again. That is what has to be stopped. So you can remain fit, isn't it? So we will talk about a few steps today for the weight loss, which will make your weight loss easier. This is Sunita Paul, Wellness Nutrition Hub 50 Plus from Wellness Nutrition Hub, a wellness nutrition coach of 50 Plus. Now, I'll request you all, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. The newcomers, please do subscribe to my channel, and in the comment box you can write what would you like to hear from me, on which topic would you like to hear from me next time. I'll be waiting for you. Do comment in the comment box below. Okay, thank you. Now, the scientific way. Today we'll be talking about the scientific way. The first thing to reduce the weight is to reduce the refined carbohydrates. What are these refined carbohydrates? These refined carbohydrates are the refined flours, or you can call it as maida. That maida from which we make all the bakery items. Do you know why bakery items are made of white flour or the refined flour instead of wheat flour or the simple flour, all-purpose flour? Why? Because those refined carbohydrates in the form of flour has got more flexibility in it. You can give any shape to it, as they don't have those extra fiber in them. They become a very smooth dough and you can easily give them any shape, a required shape which you like. So that is why the bakers prefer more the refined flour, and because we can call it as a refined carbohydrates. So we have to reduce the intake of that. And the second thing is that reduce your sugars. Sugars are not leaving your body with anything. In your waist, you are not giving out the sugar. Follow. The extra sugar which you consume goes inside your body and stays as fats. Better do not consume extra sugars. Yes, 3 spoons a day is enough for the sugar in your body. On a single day, you can take 3 spoons a day. Have them, not more than that. Now 3 spoons a day means if you are going to have a chocolate, a small chocolate with 2 or 3 bites, 3 spoons is over. You can't take anything else. But yes, natural sugars you can take as much as you want, and these natural sugars are present in the fruits, in the vegetables, And the best one is, from where we get sugar, is the sugar cane. You can take that natural sugar, but the sugar is an added sugar that is not going to benefit you. It will cause harm to you. That white sugar, that added sugar should not be more than 3 spoons a day. Followed. And consume less of starchy foods. Yes, you have to avoid the starchy foods in your diet or decrease it to the minimum. Followed. This point is a very big plus point. Curbing the appetite, insulin levels will be lowered, and not to forget, it helps in the weight loss too. Followed. What? Fibers. Fibers are very, very important. Eat sufficient amounts of proteins, minerals and vitamins. Why you need sufficient amount of proteins? To keep your muscles properly, to keep your muscles in a good condition. Why you need minerals and vitamins? The minerals and vitamins help in the hormones in your, every body needs this thing. Hormones are made up of proteins. Minerals are required, vitamins are required. The scarcity of vitamins will cause you diseases. Vitamin C scarcity causes you bleeding of the gums or the scurvy. Some minerals which are less in your body may cause you some other problem. Followed. So protein should not be concentrated in a single meal. If I tell you that you need, if your weight is 80 kgs and you need 80 grams of protein every day, that doesn't mean that 80 grams of proteins will go in a single diet. No. Or in a single meal. No. That 80 grams of protein has to be divided into breakfast, lunch and dinner throughout the day. If done equally, it's better. Followed. So protein should not be concentrated, but it should be equally divided into all your 3 meals. If you are on a habit of taking 5 meals, divide it into 5 meals. If you are taking 4 meals a day, divide it into 4 meals a day. But that should be done positively. Followed. We can add healthy fats to our food, to our diet, but don't go for trans fats. Followed. You want to eat ghee, you put a spoon of ghee into your vegetable or your dal, but don't cook the food in ghee. Don't fry the things in ghee. The effect will be different. So calories and portion size is again more important. Decrease your calories, and the portion size has to be taken care of. And all these things, who is going to guide you? Your wellness health coach. The wellness health coach has got a very, very, very important role in your body when you are in a weight loss, weight gain or weight maintenance. And especially if you join a community, you don't know what you are going to gain from it. Follow. Exercise every day. Start your day with exercise. Followed. And then have whole foods also. What are these whole foods? These whole foods are unprocessed foods. They are not the foods which are packed in the packets. For example, you can get ready-made dals, you can get the ready-made powders, you can get the ready-made juices. I'll say get it done everything at home in front of your eyes, because everything that is packed are high in sugars and high in salts. Follow. Eat lots of fruits, eat the nuts, eat the legumes, eat the vegetables, and you know these things are going to help you out. And especially if you have joined the community, you will get motivated more and more. And when you join their way of working in the whole day, you are going to have remarkable results. And one more thing I'll say is that always eat local. After all, it's God who had decided it, so how can it be wrong? Which season what grows, it is the wish of the God. If you are eating that, it will never harm you. Follow. Now it's very simple. In vegetarians, the diet we can have is plenty of proteins, and proteins in the form of tofu, in the form of beans, in the form of lentils and whole grains. Take proteins in all your meals throughout the day. I would rather go for a sustainable diet. Now you must be wondering, what is the sustainable diet? A question is lingering behind your brain. What is the sustainable diet? The sustainable diet is that diet which you are going to follow in the weight loss, which you are going to follow in the maintenance of your body after your weight loss. That is a sustainable diet. That sustainable diet will have all those things which are required by your body. These diets are easily accepted by all. After losing weight, when you go back to your diet, you are going to gain weight. So have your meals in a sustainable way. The sustainable diets are the best diets. You don't have to change your diet every time when you have lost so many kgs of weight again. Yes, when you reach a plateau, you have to change your diet, but that too not out of your kitchen, not by not eating these things or not eating those things. Eat this, don't eat that, nothing of that. Keep your diet simple and sustainable. So, did you have any positive effect from this? I hope I am able to convey something to you that might be catching your brain, catching your ears, catching your eyes. Somewhere or the other, it must catch you, it must attract you. That is what I want. So, it has a positive effect today and for always on the individual and the environment as well, if you go for sustainable diet. Thank you again. Thank you for giving me your time and listening to the video till the end. I am so glad to it. Yes, please do comment below if you have got anything. If you want to put a review too. Do comment, share and subscribe. The new persons do subscribe. Here I am going to put up a disclaimer that no results are identical. No two bodies are identical. The result varies from person to person. Maybe someone is able to get it faster, someone is able to get it little later. It depends how your body is reacting to your diet, and it depends how your body is reacting to your daily routine, which your coach is going to give you. Thank you again. Thank you.